Welcome to the Smart Wi-Fi Thermostat MTS205 installation and setup instructional video. Before we begin, unboxing, open up that Meross Smart Wi-Fi Thermostat box. Inside, you'll find the thermostat itself, a user manual, a wiring sticker, a sensor, and some screws. Okay, let's get to the first step. Make sure the area where you want to install the thermostat has a strong 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi signal. Download the Meross app, register, and log in. And prepare the tools you may need: small flathead and standard Phillips screwdrivers, lineman's pliers, a wire stripper, and a voltage detector. Turn off power at the main switch or circuit breaker that controls your HVAC system. Carefully remove your existing thermostat cover from the wall. Label the wires from your old thermostat one by one, using the labels provided. Take a photo of the wires, you may need to reference this later. Carefully disconnect the wires, unscrew the mounting plate of your old thermostat to remove it from the wall. Use a small screwdriver to slightly pry up the bottom of the thermostat, then carefully separate the front from the back plate. Connect the wires to the corresponding terminals. The thermostat features both a built-in sensor and an optional external sensor. The external sensor can protect floors from overheating or replace the built-in sensor for temperature control. Screw the thermostat back plate securely into the back box. Make sure the connections are aligned and gently press the front of the thermostat onto the back plate. Turn on the power at the circuit breaker. If the app does not find the product, press and hold end or buttons for 5 seconds to reset it, and kill the app to retry. The screen will power on and the Wi-Fi LED will begin to blink slowly. Wait for Meross app to automatically search for products. Select the Wi-Fi and input the password. If you use Alexa or Google Assistant, you can link the accounts with your Meross account now. Or you can manage it later at user page. Thanks for watching this installation video, and remember, if you ever need a hand, we've got your back with customer support.